it's me, Connor. I am back and I found out how to record myself. I am recording myself right now. I am going to play Roblox Brookhaven again. I'm glad I found out how to record myself. I'll be right back. I gotta shut my door. Finally found out how to record and I'm glad, so you guys can see who I am. I am using Screen Recorder Automatic. You'll see the link in the description. So you can record yourself, and then you can upload it on YouTube. I have only 28 subscribers on my YouTube channel. If you're wondering what my YouTube channel name is, it's Connor Plays. I don't know where to put this thing. How about right up? No. Yeah, right there. Right there's good. So, if you see my Roblox character, this is not what it looks like. It looks like something else. I'm just not using the actual thing. I set up my character, it will look like this. Also, if you want, go check out Unspeakable's channel and Preston Plays' channel. Because they're really good YouTubers that I know, that I watch every day. I feel like they're both the best YouTubers I've ever seen or watched. So go check their channels out. They're really good players. Or not players, YouTubers. They're really good YouTubers. No, they left. They drove away. Well, I'm gonna have a funeral. If you can't hear anything in this game, it's because I muted it. I muted the game. I'm gonna have a funeral. Ding, ding. It worked. The poor person died. Her name was Yo Mom. The poor person. No, go back. My car. Give me my car back. It's my new car. It's my car. My car. My car. My car. I seriously said that. My car. I don't speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. I don't understand the word you're saying. Also, I'm gonna move this because I can't really see myself that well. I don't know where to put it. I'll put it down here in the corner where it doesn't matter. There. I don't care what you say, lady. Lady, I don't understand you. You're speaking Spanish. I don't like Spanish. I'm joking, I like Spanish. But I have a Spanish class, but I don't understand Spanish. Spanish. I'm actually gonna do some popcorn. Wolf. Well, I'm gonna change something for a sec. Ow! Fingers! Ow! I'm a small businessman. You click Q to stop. You're bad at singing. I just want to say it. I want to say this word, but I don't. It's gonna make my channel sound bad. Oh gosh. Wolf. La 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 la. La 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 la. He's just eating popcorn in my face. Why not give me some popcorn? Rude. Stealing my popcorn. Wait. If I do this, no, still. Yeah. Wow, you. La 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 la. Like, wow, you not fired. Oh, she's sad. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, I clicked the guitar. Hi. You're a good dance. You're a good dancer. People are so... This whole server is Spanish. This whole server is just Spanish. I'm gonna go over here now. It's already been 9 minutes. I just made this video like 3 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. Still looking at the camera. Ah! My friend joined! PPP pretty! I don't want that video to end like this. I want to show you my bestest friend of all time. She's my best friend. Wait, what if I just start singing in front of her? Come on! Come on! Hi. P-P-P-R-E-T-T-T. Pretty! Pretty! I'm just gonna steal her. Ready? 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 Come on. Come on. The club. I'm faster than her. I'm holding shift and running. Wow, it's already been 10 minutes. Just hide. Hidden. How'd she get behind there? Wolf. Wolf. Two. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, you're leaving me. Hey. Hey. You're leaving me. You're leaving me. You know F. No, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Bye. Decus. D-E-C-I-S. Decus. What the? Are you kidding me? No. No way. No way. You know what? I could do anything I want. No one needs to roommate you anymore. Once you're in this game, no one needs to roommate you anymore. You're automatically just roommated. But you can't, like, turn on the TV and stuff. No! 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 No. I'm kidding. 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 Whatever. I'm going back inside. You can lock the door, but I'm busting it open. Oh, she locked it. Oh, God. LOL. 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 LOL.